All right, and we're back. Today's video, we're going to see if we can swap out the stock shifter peg for the Streamliner one that I've picked up. Let's see how that works out. This matches the brake pedal. So we're going to see. Hopefully this shouldn't take too long. This should be probably 5 minutes, maybe less. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. Put some gloves on here. All right. Okay, let's see what we got here. I'm going to guess, is this the right size? Yes, very good. So the stock one is a 1/4 inch. Break this free. There we go. Don't mind the lawnmowers. Landscapers have come to do the neighbor's lawn. I've cut mine 3 times already this year. Shows you how warm it's been. You know, warm and rainy. So there's the stock one. All right, let's see what we got here. So here is all right, very good. All right, yeah, that's going to screw right on there. Not a problem. So before we put it on, though, we do need, let me make sure, because that one's a little smaller, and the head of this actually looks like it could be metric. Let's see. Yeah. So stock was standard. This replacement I got is a metric 5mm. So, but before we put it on, we have to throw some blue Loctite. So what we're going to do is we'll get the blue Loctite first. And again, you guys know how this stuff works. Get this on the threads here. Like I said, you just wind it down. It would work better if it comes out here. Now, hold on a second. Tip must be dried up. Come on. Uncooperative here. Alright, that ain't going to work. And of course, I don't have anything small enough to shove into the tip of this damn thing. Cut another piece off of it. Maybe that'll open Alright, there we go. Okay. Again, sorry for the noise. We're riding down my alley here. Well, there you go. Well, that Loctite came out that time, didn't it? It's a little too much. There we go. Got some in the threads there. I'll clean up the mess it spit out. And what we're going to do is I'm going to screw this in by hand. Get it started here. Run it in. Get to where we want to be. And we'll snug it down. I didn't find any torque settings for this. So, back this off a little bit. I'm just going to try to set it to where I had it factory-wise, and we'll see what we got. Okay, so now what I want to do is I'm going to sit on the bike and I'm going to test it. I don't have my boots on, my riding boots, but I just have my boat shoes. But this is going to give me an approximate what we need. Let's see. Yeah, that's perfect. That'll work. That'll work. I'm just going to snug it down there now. So what I want to do is I want to snug it down right where it's at, but I think I'm going to grab use the adjustable, I think, with a rag just to hold it in place. I think we can hold it like that. Make sure you guys can still see. So what I want to do is I want to hold this in place while I snug it down. So I'm going to put a rag over. See if that'll, yeah, that'll work right there. Just some cloth on it, just to protect the finish. See if this will work. While I snug that down real quick. Just enough to hold on to it. There we go. So I'm holding it with the wrench. Well, I think I'm going to hold it with the wrench. Not quite big enough. Open that up a little more. There we go. Now what I want to do is wrap this around so I can get a grip on the peg itself on the inside here. Come on, snug up. See how I'm getting it on there. I know my hand's probably in the way. It's tough to see. I don't know if I can give you a better angle. Let's see if I bring you around over here. Maybe we can give you a better angle on exactly what I'm doing. Again, this is not a tough job, so we just want to snug it down. We don't want it to move. There we go. Yeah, that's got it. All right, perfect. So there it is. That's on there. That's not going anywhere. And we'll try that this weekend coming up. We'll get a ride in, and then we can go from there. And it should work out well. As I said, that's a Streamliner. See, it matches the footboards and also matches the brake pedal. So this way they all match over there now. So with that said, a super quick video. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, have a good one.